You are a fervent buff of luxuriant vegetation? The dream of your life is to visit a marvelous place with idyllic beaches and a sweet and tepid sun while you're sipping a delicious cocktail under a pleasant teak tree? Then you got the wrong destination. Here, a blazing sun, no vegetation, no water, and no cocktail.
This is an arid region of Morocco. We are situated in the Anti-Atlas Mountains near a town called Tafraout, at the heart of the Berber lands. Oh shit!
What?
My map is in French. I hope our public will understand eventually. Bah, it doesn't matter. Well, the rocks in that region are very, 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 very old granites. They are Precambrian granites, you see. Time and erosion made them become like ruins in landscape. So, why is this place so famous? Because in 1984, a Belgian artist, Jean Véral, had a very strange idea. He decided to paint!
Okay, so what is the problem?
No way! You don't know what I am talking about? Okay, trailer!
They are trees. They are geologic passionates. Now they give you the painted rock. No, not this one. Yeah, here they are. They are going to show you the incredible hidden state of that mysterious place. Be ready for the most extraordinary trip you'll never know again.
Stop, 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 stop! What? You don't think you're making a fuss of it? And what's that? Not even the subject.
Okay, then show us that you're better than me.
Perfect. I've been waiting for this moment since the beginning of the presentation. So, we have here granites. Granite is a common type of intrusive, felsic, igneous rock which is granular and phaneritic in texture. This rock consists mainly of quartz, mica, and feldspar. It is the most abundant rock in the continental crusts. At the surface, granite is exposed in the course of many mountain ranges within large areas known as batholiths and in the core areas of continents known as shield. The large mineral crystals in granite are evidence that is cooled slowly from molten rock material. That slow cooling had to have occurred beneath Earth's surface and required a long period of time to occur. If they are today exposed at the surface, the only way that could happen is if the granitic rocks were uplifted and the overlying sedimentary rocks were eroded. Occasionally, some individual crystals, phenocrysts, are larger than the ground mass, in which case the texture is known as porphyritic. Granites can be pink to gray in color, depending on their chemistry and mineralogy. By definition, granite is an igneous rock with at least 20% quartz by volume. Outcrops of granite tend to form torus and rounded massifs. Granites sometimes occur in circular depressions surrounded by a range of hills formed by the metamorphic aureole of hornfills. Granite is usually found in the continental plates of the Earth's crust. To be continued.
What? But I'm left a bit hungry for more, and you didn't talk about the place and its formation.
Oh, really? Then your turn.
This place is a vast bulge of old rocks. We are situated on the north border of West African crater, in the axial zone of the Anti-Atlas, which had been created about 300 million years ago during Pangaea supercontinent union, which unified Africa, the two Americas, and Eurasia. In these mountains there are Precambrian massifs separated by erosion. Tafraout is in the Cadios Massif. Granites in this massif are pink and calco-alkalines, So the phenomenon responsible of the formation of these rocks is the subduction. Nowadays, we just can see some crumbled pitons into giant balls.
My turn!
Yeah, calm down, I finished.
So let's talk about erosion. Well, I'm going to show you why we have these giant balls. This type of formation is a granitic chaos. It's named like that because of the very strange forms of the rocks. But how to form a granitic chaos? A non-inflected and fractured granite is covered by a ground. The rainwater infiltrates into the granite fractures. The granite water inflects into granitic arena along the fractures. The rainwater flow transports and erodes the arena. The granite balls stay in place. A granitic chaos is created.
The majority of the flora there are olive trees, almond trees, and argan trees, which are cultivated.
But what are argan trees?
Are you serious? They are typical trees of the region. You can't find them elsewhere in the world. We can produce the very famous argan oil with them. That's why it's so expensive. Please, Andrea, show her.
The argan oil is known for its nutritive quality, used by many women who are absolutely amazed by its quality and its effectiveness. The consumption of argan oil is quite good for the body and hair. You can use it on your skin or eat it while perfuming your food. It will leave your skin and hair shiny and healthy. It's a new anti-age product, the new miracle. Now, let's talk about fauna. There is a typical animal in this country. Oops, I muddled the photo up. This is what it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's not the most impressive. Goats go on the argan trees. You can find very strange fossils in the rocks.
You're silly! It can't be fossil, it's a granite!
But it's fossils that nobody has ever seen before. We can see side.
Well?
You don't see him? It's obvious, just there.
Oh yeah, that's right!
Next, we have a sphinx, here.
Oh yeah, I see him very well. And there, isn't that a seal?
No, it's a sitting Buddha.
No, it's a seal. It's obvious.
Yeah, it's a seal.
No, both of you are blind. It's a sitting Buddha.
Let's disagree there. It's a seal.
But you killed her!
Let us conclude rapidly and then hide about it.
So that's a very interesting geological place to visit. Enjoy it and send us the photos.